ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಚಾನಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿಷಯ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ತರ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ತರ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಟೆಡ್ ನಮಗೆ MCQs ಗೆ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ನಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಇದು 10 ಬರ್ತದೆ, 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಬಂದು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಮಗೆ 70 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಬಟ್ the paper is setted for 115 marks. 115 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಬರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಏನು, ಹೌ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ 15 questions out of 15 you have to write. Here also all 5 out of 5 you can write. In a 2 marker they will set 9 questions. We have to write only 5. And in a 3 markers also they will set 9 questions and we have to write 5 questions. And in a long answer type they will set for 6 questions, we have to write only 3. And there is no options based on it. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, how we have to do all those things we'll see. And numerical problem also they will give 4 numerical problems, you have to write only 2. Okay, so overall you have to attempt only 70 marks out of 150. So now we'll check what are the guidelines and how to use this blueprint. So first thing, variation of 1 marker in each chapter of the weightage. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ವೇಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ on the basis of the blueprint following the weightage of the marks and fix it for each chapter. ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, it is clearly given that the blueprint should be prepared on the basis of the weightage of the marks for the each chapter. It has not said anywhere, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ that the blueprint is fixed. Okay, question must be framed to check the specific cognitive level. Means whatever the cognitive levels we have discussed here, it has to be fulfilled. Next question should be clear, unambiguous and understandable, free from the grammatical errors. So question should be very clear. Question ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಗ್ರಾಮಟಿಕಲ್ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ then obviously you'll get a grace. Question which are based on the same concept, law, facts, generate at the same answer should not be repeated in any form. Okay, the answers for the question should be available in a prescribed textbook. Okay, what is our prescribed textbook? Nama prescribed textbook bandu NCERT, or can be derived from the concepts of the textbook. So this is basically given for HOTS. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಾಟ್ಸ್ ಜನರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಜನರಲಿ when a question carrying 3 or 5 markers is split in a sub question should be derived from the same concept. Means if they're split type questions, they are derived from the same concept from a same chapter. Only 5 marker numerical has to be set from 1 or 2, that is statics, right? And 2, 3, 4, that is from current, electricity and moving charges, AC and EMI, and next one current, electricity, AC and EMI, and current, electricity, and this one, sorry, okay, current, electricity and moving charges, magnetism and matter, and EMI, AC and EM waves, and ray optics and wave optics. So they are telling this one, but generally they used to set the numericals from first chapter, third chapter, and this chapter and this chapter. Generally they used to do this. Okay, so we'll see how the trend works, but for safety we'll do all the numericals of these chapters in this YouTube series. In a part A means 3 MCQs. In part D means 3 numerical problems are of same difficulty level must be framed for checking the higher order thinking skills. Okay, so they will set the 3 MCQs in part A, and 3 marker questions are will be, I means numericals are will be of difficult type. Difficult type. Only one simple numerical problem can be included in a part B, that is 2 marker and 3 marker. So one simple problem we can include. Rest of all the problems will be of little higher order thinking skills levels. And see, just now we have discussed that the blueprint is not fixed, but all these things should be satisfied. But the only thing fixed is our weightage. Okay, see, weightage, when it comes to the part of a weightage, we should be very clear and very careful with choosing the syllabus. See, just by preparing with a few things only, we'll get a full marks. So what are those few things? See here, if I choose this chapter, sorry, extremely sorry, a small mistake here. Okay, if I choose this chapter electrostatics fields, and if I choose this total overall, I'm getting 22 marks. Okay, so these two are very important chapters, because weightage, if you take plus or minus 1 also, you will get 20 marks. 20 marks. So next one is this chapter, current electricity, which is the easiest chapter. Okay, which is easiest chapter, and which will help us to do the lot of things here. Okay, and which also helps us to attend the nearly some 40% of the question paper. So 14 marks. And next, moving charges and magnetism, you will get 12 marks. Okay, which will fetch us the highest marks with the easiest questions. Okay, highest marks with the easiest questions. So these are the 4 chapters which should be included in a first mode of preparation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 4 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ we can attempt nearly 48 marks of the paper. Andre all on average roughly, okay, roughly, one second, we are attending 68% of the paper. Okay, on an average, we are attempting the 68% of the paper. So these are the 4 chapters which is allowing us to go through nearly approximately 68%, that is 48 marks of the paper. Okay, sir, very good. Next 2 easy chapters which you can do very clearly and very easily are, okay, very easily are this one, electromagnetic induction and alternating current. So by December, if you finish these 2 things also, okay, so these 2 things also, then we can plan a proper agenda so that we can complete the things. So each chapter in complete 64 marks bartada. And next chapters are ray optics, wave optics, and semiconductors, modern physics. See, this is a strategy so that you can get, this is a strategy so that you can get approximately close to the 60 marks. Okay, this is a strategy made to get 60 out of 70. Rest of 10 marks lies within your knowledge. Okay, how you are tackling the MCQs, how you are making the MCQs, how you are writing the MCQs. MCQs ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ tackle ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. And my suggestion is, give a lot of time to think for MCQs. Therefore, always leave a 1 page for MCQs and start doing them things. Okay. So by December, if you finish these 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, okay. So 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 3. Then we can approximate for 60%. Or by December, if you finish only this much also, we are completing approximately 80% of the syllabus, and rest of the 3 chapters we can go with the time in a January. So by December, become a perfect with all the NCRT line by line and prepare your own MCQs and fill up the blanks. Okay, in the upcoming series, based on this, I'm going to discuss all the 5 marker, 3 marker, and 2 marker and numerical questions in the upcoming following videos, so that it may help a kid so that to fetch nearly some 50 to 60 marks out of 70. So that is the basic agenda of this channel. So I hope you understood the blueprint and how to prepare with the blueprint. If you really like this, just give me a like and just comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.